Hi everyone! Welcome! If you love bags like me, please join me on my bag love journey. And together, let's enjoy this beautiful piece. So today I would like to share with you an unboxing. So this video is not sponsored. This bag was gifted to me by this company named SINBONO to review for you. And I'm very happy to share with you my honest opinion on their product. So it came in this box, marble design with some gold details, very classy looking. And it also came in a dust bag. So I'll show you the bag that I chose. So this is the bag, so cute! The name of this bag is called Vienna Top Handle Bag. It measures 18 by 12 by 18 and this handle drop is 8 cm. And I chose pink because I really love the color and I think that pink really looks nice with the shape of the bag. And I chose Vienna Top Handle because it looks very unique and simple and classy as well. And I chose pink because I would like to build my collection in this color, in pink color, because I noticed that my bags are mostly all in neutrals and in blacks. So I would like to add color into my bag collection. SINBONO is a New York-based brand that specializes in high-quality vegan bags. So these are vegan bags, but personally I'm not a vegan, but I would like to try high-quality vegan bags. So I'm so excited to try this bag. So first I would like to share with you the details. So this is their logo, SINBONO. So the logo is a bit discreet. I really like that. Looks very classy as well. And it comes in these two zipper pulls, golden hardwares with also their logo as well. I hope you can see. And it also comes in this magnets. And this is another cool design for me because I think this, when you open your bag, the handles doesn't go your way, so you can easily get your things inside. That's a very nice design. So the zippers feels smooth as well, so that's a good thing as well. And it came with this chain. So the chain is a golden chain, golden hardware, and it feels a bit heavy. So it also comes with the logos on the hook, like big brands, very classy touch. And I love those details. So first let's put the sling there. And also on the inside, you can see it has one slit pocket inside with their logo. And put your card holder or your cash, probably you can easily get inside this pocket, and that's the inside. So this feels smooth to the touch. This is a faux suede material of their bags, and their inside of their bags are made from 100% recycled plastic bottles, so that's very eco-friendly. And also the material of their bags are made from reclaimed fruit leather, apple skins that are made into an apple leather. So I haven't really got anything in that my collection yet. I'm very happy to experience it. And since I was very intrigued about the apple leather, I found out that apple leathers are very soft to the touch, and they are also UV resistant, and they are also hypoallergenic. So those are the very nice features of apple leathers. Very happy to experience that and to be able to share with you later on the wear and tear of this bag. So if you're interested in buying cruelty-free, eco-friendly, and sustainable bags, please try Sinbono bags. They also have other designs in their website, and in case you want to try their bags, you may use my code BagLove and you will enjoy a 26% off of their purchase when you buy at sinbono.com. Thank you again, Sinbono, for sending me this bag to review. I feel really happy and blessed to receive this bag and very honored to review their bags for you. So I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time,